Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a Boots haul. Now you know I love doing these because it's an excuse to keep buying skincare. Now this haul is a bit more kind of messy because with this coronavirus pandemic going on, Boots is not working properly. It's a bigger process actually, or like a lot of stuff is sold out. A lot of stuff won't be coming back into stock until this is probably over. So there's a few things I had to get on different websites because they didn't have them in stock on Boots. So there's a couple of things that haven't arrived yet, but you know I don't have time to wait. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So my tried and true, is that what that saying is? I don't even know, is the Love Beauty and Planet Shea Velvet Body Lotion. This is like my holy grail. This is the best. This brand is actually amazing, first of all, because it's vegan, so it's not tested on animals, and like it's, hold on, let me read out the yes things that it says. Yes, vegan. Yes, this bottle is made from 100% recycled materials. Yes, natural shea butter. Yes, ethically sourced. Okay. Yes, with plant-based moisturizers. No silicones, parabens, and colorants. So, I mean, it's just a God's gift, isn't it? Like, it's amazing. So I definitely recommend picking this up. This is my favorite scent because it's like shea butter and it almost has like a coconut kind of scent because, well, that's what I always get told anyway. That it smells kind of like coconut, and I love coconut, so you know, I take it as a compliment. Also from that range is the body butter, because I get like the lotion and the body butter because I think I like to use different products in different areas. So like I like, say for example, when do I use the body butter? I wouldn't use it as frequently as the lotion. Like the body butter is like kind of once in a week kind of a job where like you put it all over just to really like, you know, moisturize your skin, because the lotion kind of, it moisturizes your skin, but like this leaves your skin like glowing. So I definitely recommend, especially like if you're shaving and stuff, like this is a godsend. We also got some toner because, you know, gotta keep the pores sealed. I don't even know if, is that what toner does? Does it close off your pores? I don't really know what toner does, to be honest. I think it's more of like the novelty of it that I like. You know, it's like just part of my routine. Like you wash your face, you dry it off, toner, serum, the other thing, moisturizer, oil. Like it's just part of the routine. So I have to get it now because are any of you guys that way, that like once you have your routine, you have to stick to it, otherwise you kind of get stressed or anxious because hello. Oh, another one of my tried and true, well actually no, sorry, this is a more recent addition. This is eye serum, because I like laugh a lot, and like I've been noticing that I'm starting to get like, you know, like, well, I mean like very like soft like lines underneath like my eyes. So I was like, no, they have got to go. So I'm hoping this is going to get rid of them and prevent any new lines forming. So that's why I picked up the eye serum, and it's actually like really nice. Like it dries in really fast. Like it's not like, you don't feel like tacky, or like you don't feel it on your eyes, which is like the worst thing you could possibly have to feel, is stuff like on your eyes. So this is good because you can't like moisturize underneath your eyes because like it's the most sensitive part of your face, so like you have to have special stuff for it. Ooh, I also picked up some Ted Baker deodorant because this is now my favorite. I used to use the Dove Men one, but like this one is way better, way better. Now it doesn't last as long, which is the kicker, and it's also not the same price. So it's a bit more annoying to have to repurchase all the time, but also like it just smells, oh yeah, smells good. Like it smells clean. Like I don't even, that's the only way I can describe it. Like it doesn't smell like, you know, like an aftershave. Like it smells like just clean. Which is, hello, is that not what you want? Because like you'd have this and then you'd have like your actual aftershave, so you don't want like two of them really clashing. So like that's why I like this one. Now a new thing that I've started doing is, well, I haven't started yet because I'm still waiting for this product to arrive, is the Bondi Sands, you know, that tanning company. Well, they do one for men. It's like a gradual tanner, and I used it before, like about a year ago, and I really liked the results, but I just never got it again because I didn't really need it, because in the summer when I got it, I got tanned in the sun, so like I didn't need it, and then it was winter time and like my tan lasted, so I was like, well, I kind of want that glowy tan again, so I got a tanning mitt. Yes, I don't know why I'm getting so awkward over this, but like I don't know. Ooh, another staple is my face wash. I use the Bulldog one because it's just the best. Like, like, it smells actually like almost like lavender, and it's not tested on animals, which is one thing that like I have to stand. So Bulldog face wash. I normally get the sensitive one, but like there was none left, so like I had to get the oil control one. Don't know how it's gonna react to my skin, but we'll find out. I also got some BB cream because gotta get that skin looking clear for the camera. Okay, this one's it's this moisturizer. It's got like this Neutrogena moisturizer. This one is so affordable, but like it just works. Like it's just amazing. Yeah. Oh yes. Okay, right, finally I got these two Fenty Beauty products because, you know, that's how I roll now. Thank you, Tara, for getting me hooked on this. I got the lip balm again. Now my one I got from Tara for Christmas hasn't ran out yet, which, like, you know, thank God, because I think it's like €20 for one of these, which isn't bad considering it lasts for like 4 or 5 months. So hello, won't be having to stock this up again till winter time, which is great. Then I also got the lip scrub, which, I mean, I love the lip scrub, but like it didn't last very long. I think it lasted like a month. But like also like I overused it when I had it. Like I use it literally every day and every night, which I think it's only really for, like, you know, maybe when you wake up, you know, like morning time, like, you know, just to get your lips all like plumped for the day. Yeah, it's just so nice. Like it's so easy, and I love it. Like, I mean, it's Rihanna's product, so like obviously they're going to be amazing. Okay guys, that is everything that I got on Boots. Please let me know down in the comments section, have you tried any of these products, or will you be trying any of these products? I'd love to know. And with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And you'll be excited to hear that there is a room transformation coming. Did I say that? There's a room transformation coming, and I just ordered all the stuff for now, so previously to filming this. So I mean, this quarantine can't stop me. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.